Here's something that's broken, and I'm about to fix again with a 3D printer. Remodeling this and getting the answer. Might not get the right shape because this shape looks... I mean, I can do that. It's not that hard. It's two parallel lines with a little bit of a clip with a little bit of a concave curve. Yeah, we could totally... Very fixable. Very super fixable, I must admit. And it'll be a 23 or 28 minute print. So I forgot to measure it, so let me just measure it real quick. It's about 7 and about 8, 9. Alright, 괜찮아. Alright, we're checking the diameter of this stuff, which is about 7. Is start from here. Create how much I want from the 3.7 meters. Our beautiful sketch of that. Okay, let me just... Do you want to do more editing and make it look good? The height. Yes. Okay, we did not spec inside it. This time we need another sketch. So although we're gonna have to change it 15. Exclude these 10. Now if I did this all correctly. Yep. All right, it's almost perfect. Has some quick kinks to pull out, but I for one like it, so we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna now combine it like this. We're gonna say, now we're done. We're gonna stop recording. Yes, 2 iterations after it works. This one had the too little of a small lip over here. And then this is the original one, which, yeah, I think I did a good job. It looks pretty decent. I'll say I should have cut this part out, but I was too lazy to do it, honestly.